Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back at the shop here to get the engine on the SIMTester so we can get it back in the car. We're going to get it hooked up, get the oil lines and everything on it. I forgot to get an oil filter, but that's okay. We'll probably have something in here to put on there so we can get it started. Now we'll be right back with you guys. Alrighty, we got the engine on that SIMTester, got it going. Check it out. Good oil pressure. So that's where we feed the oil. Normally I have an oil filter on there, but I forgot it. That pulsating, that means the oil pump is working. I do have the oil pan on it, so it's just a little coming out because it's mostly going out where the oil filter normally is supposed to be. If I had an oil filter on there, it'd just pour out the bottom. So since there's no oil filter, it's just pouring out the top, which is not a problem because we still got oil pressure. The chain is getting lubed up from the oil pressure. All the rockers and springs are getting adequate oil. So let's go ahead and turn it up just a little bit more. This is your RPM, so I might I think that's 500. So turn it up just a little bit. So it's working a little bit harder now. So we're gonna let this run probably for a couple hours and get it broken in. And I got some other parts I need to go pick up and clean. So I'm gonna go do that real quick and come right back. Alrighty guys, I'm back. Sorry I had to jump in the car. I had to get everything in because I have to go to work. So I got the engine back there in the back. And with the next video we go pick up where I'm installing it, and I think that is about it. But we got it all sim tested, and everything looked good. I missed one bolt, so I had to hurry up and jump on that. But everything turned out really good. We let it run for probably, I think about he said only about 30 minutes. It just needed 30 minutes because I normally just let it run and so I come back to it because I jump on something else or do something else. So I am heading back home right now, and I'm just gonna leave it in the back of the truck. Maybe I will try to get it installed tomorrow. Yeah, because I work from 8 to 4:30 tomorrow. So no, I work late tomorrow. No, I don't. So anyway, so back to that, and after we get that in and running and get it going, I would do a cost amount and how much everything cost to the last penny. Now I do not include my labor because I just don't. I like doing what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna not include that, because if it was included labor, oh my gosh, it'd be outrageous. So I'm gonna stop rambling and get going, and I will talk to you guys again. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will holler back later.